I don't need anybody. I've done this all myself. I've done it alone. I'll keep doing it alone. I don't need you. Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thank you for checking in again on the Little Dog and Pony Show. Be sure to be nice to my sponsors, people like Electro Voice and Promo Only and Perfect Portals, Disc Jockey Event Planner, and Disc Jockey News. And of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. There are seats still available in London, England, and in November here in the United States in Minnesota. So I did it alone. I can do it alone. I don't need anybody's help. I think that's okay, I guess. I went through life like that a lot. I gypsied around the United States in radio, in fact, never really having to depend on anybody. I found my own jobs. I didn't really apply the way regular people applied. I put everything in my car and knew that I could be gone at a moment's notice. So if the job worked out, great. If the job didn't work out, I didn't have a problem with it. I started my DJ business alone. I bought my stuff. I got my music. I got my lights. I got out there and did it. I didn't ask for anybody's help, but it only got me so far. You see, every great thing that I've ever done for myself, my business, for my life, I haven't really been able to do just on my own. I can get started, right? But nothing really amazing has ever been created just you. And I know this to be true because collaborations are the reason why I have any kind of real serious success with the things that I decided I wanted to do. My business, doing weddings, never really took off until I started meeting with other DJs, talking to other people, taking classes, learning about more things, and then taking on an assistant and an accountant. All of a sudden, my team wasn't no longer me. And with a team and a collaborative team, all of a sudden, your life and everything grows because you can't see it all. And the people that you work with make sure that those things keep getting stronger and bigger all the time, even when you're not. And if you're open to it, then you'll begin to see the blind spots that you've been dealing with in your entire life because you've got them. I've got them. I've been around a while, and with new blind spots showing up, you have others that create themselves. And those blind spots they can't just be seen on your own. So you need a collaborator. You can't do things just by yourself and be completely and amazingly successful. No one who's made an incredible thing in their life can say they did it with nobody's help. So I guess what I'm saying is open yourself up to what might be possible. I mean, really, reach out to your colleagues. Start there. Reach out to your colleagues and see, hey, how are you doing? Teach me about you. Share your ideas with your friends, your families, your colleagues. Find people outside of your circle and share those things. If you want to do something amazing with your entertainment and you don't know how to do it, find a partner. Bring in somebody who's really good at it. And then you work together. It's not the easiest thing, especially if you're a single operator like myself, to give out the trust to somebody else. But as long as you are careful with who you talk to, if you collaborate openly, you have open conversations, you talk about what you want to achieve, make sure that each of you understands each other's expectations. It doesn't mean you need to have a partner, not a partner in business, but to walk through life alone, it's not as great. as walking through life side by side with those people who love you and that you love, or just respect you and you respect. What do you think of this? I think I got something figured out here. Maybe I don't. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And until next time, I'm Bill, and this is Creative License.